day in late July, and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I told him I want that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight.
Oh well, hello guys, I have been waiting for you. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Linda. In today's video guys, I am going to show you inside of my house for fall 2020, and I am very excited. Are you ready? Okay, and this is my former living room and the former dining room. As you guys can see the entryway, everything is so beautiful. I love everything. I love how everything turned out. Thank you so much for stopping by. Okay guys, this video is a collaboration with my two beautiful ladies here on YouTube. First channel, Cook, Clean and Other Things, and the second channel, it's Gladys the Bear Living. Now I am going to let Cook, Clean and Other Things introduce herself to you guys. Please keep on watching.
Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other, honestly.
Hello, my name is Lynette and my channel is Cook, Clean and Other Things. On my channel you will see cooking videos, cleaning, decorating, organizational videos and so much more. If you enjoy that kind of content, when you get done watching these ladies home tour, I hope that you come over to my channel and watch mine as well. If you do enjoy my content, please give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Let me know that you're from one of these ladies' channel.
Can't wait to just hold up, maybe stay up, try to make things right. I don't know.
Okay guys, that was Lynette, Cook, Clean and Other Things. When you're done watching my video, please go over to her channel, show her some love, let her know that Linda sent you over. Thank you so much for your support. Okay, now I am going to introduce you Gladys the Bear Living channel. Okay guys, now I am going to introduce you to Gladys the Bear Living channel. She's a wife, a mom of 3, and her house is so beautiful. She has ton of home decor, organization, cleaning motivation videos, lifestyle. You will enjoy her channel. When you're done watching my video, please head over to her channel, show her some love, subscribe to her channel, and don't forget to hit the post notification bell and let her know that Linda sent you over. Thank you so much for your support. I truly appreciate you. Thank you for watching. Much for stopping by. Now let's get started. I am ready. I have been waiting for
I met him on a sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I told him I want that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned.
Hello everyone, thank you so much for stopping by. If you are from Cook, Clean and Other Things, or you from Gladys the Bear Living channel, welcome to my home and hello. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for watching my video. Today's video was my 2020 fall home tour. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and also click the post notification bell for every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much guys. And for those two ladies, I will link everything in the description box down below. Please go check them out, show them some love, let them know that Linda sent you over. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. See you next time in my next video. May the Lord continue to bless you. Stay safe and God bless y'all. Thank you guys. Bye. Ciao. Ta-ta.
Cause we want different things, and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to let July and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I couldn't get him off my mind. Lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't wanna let you go. Cause we wanted different things and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to let go, cause you really seem to know how to carry on. How to carry on.
All of the snow in this winterland used to look so pretty, now making me moody. In the deep woods, alone with my feels, spent too much time thinking. In the end, you'll be with me.
Okay guys, now follow me. I am going to show you our family room. This is where we spend time together watching TV, and I hope you enjoy. Please keep on watching.
There's no meaning, no, my heart is slowly bleeding. You said we still got today. Trust me that right now is all that matters. No, nothing lasts forever. This is just a winter stage. I'm so bitch. Not getting over it. Try to succeed with the stuff I do, melodies and rhythm, like paying the bills with them. Get emotional, leave her and all, want to make a mark with them, so I'll not be forgotten. Maybe I'm just getting it now. Damn, I took a little time out. Demons really catching up. I mean, what if there's no meaning? No, my heart is slowly bleeding. You said we still got today. Trust me that right now is all that matters. No, nothing lasts forever. This was just a winter stage.
Okay guys, now let's move on in the kitchen. My favorite space in this house is the kitchen. I love the kitchen because I love food and I love cooking. So I love my island because it's very big. I love it, and I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much for watching.
This is just a winter stage. I'm so bitch.
Okay guys, now let's move on to my coffee station. I think it's beautiful. I love coffee because I just want to make sure everything is clean and everything is handy. So that's my coffee station. I hope you enjoy. setup. As you guys can see, I just add some fairy light to make it like so beautiful, and you can go like yeah, I think it's so pretty. Yes, I just love it. So okay guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for your love and support. If you are from Gladys DBR Living, hello, welcome. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to my channel. If you are from Cook, Clean and other things, thank you so much for stopping by. I truly appreciate you. Thank you so much guys. And to all my new and returning subscribers, thank you guys very much for your love and support. I truly appreciate you, because thank you so much for stopping by. See you next time in my next one. Bye. May the Lord continue to bless you. Take care. Bye. See you later.
Don't